Hi guys, it's Mohini. Welcome back to the channel. Today you have me with a full-on glam look with my makeup intact on my way to an event, my hair done, and my nails done. All done at home by me, yours truly. Honestly, as much as I love going to the parlor, I literally love doing my own hair with very high-end products. I love doing my own nails just because it saves time and money. These are all Amazon products that I have linked in previous other videos. And my hair I do myself with a curler. I will show you guys on another review. So today we're here talking about a brand that I previously made videos about and highly recommended, and that is Kerastase. This is a new product I just purchased, and it is their serum. They don't have the specific name. It's just the Initialste Kerastase Cellulose Vegetalis Natives Advanced Scalp and Hair Concentrate. So I've seen a lot of great reviews about this to help increase the growth and just scalp healthiness. I believe it's like $75. And it comes with 2.2 fluid ounces. So I did purchase it. I'm not in love with the texture. I don't like anything that like crisps up my hair. I did notice it wasn't like, it made my hair a little bit crispy up top, which I didn't like. But other than that, the smell is great. It's not too heavy. They do tell you to use it once a day. I'm still gonna see how I feel about it. I used it yesterday. This is the consistency. It smells great. They just tend to have very high quality products, and I think there was like 250 reviews, so I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try it and see if it does anything great for my scalp. And you just kind of leave it in your scalp and hair. I'm just reading the instructions in the back, but yeah, I put it on once a day. Put on a half of a whatever this tube is. And I just bought it a few days ago, but I'm giving it a try. Everything from this brand is really, really great. As you can see, my hair needs a lot of Kerastase and high-end products to keep it healthy. Even though it's colored and bleached, it looks very bouncy, looks very touchable and healthy. So if you guys enjoyed watching this video and you want to try the product, don't forget to leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for continued new videos on hair care, skin care, makeup, and just lifestyle videos from us. So don't forget to continue watching, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye.